Yamthala, Mama.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm right now.
Yeah, that's also perfect.
That's for your body,
So
Mama.
Papa uyagcina namhlanje Papa.
Yeah, Papa ngiyagcila. No what? What? No, don't bluff. I'm learning. Okay, as ek vir jou moet sê, jy nou sê in Afrikaans dan gaan jy verstik. Jy gaan verstik as
The only
ek nou.
thing that I know with Africa is I can buy
Nou jy only know
vaak.
groot bome en potgieter. Mama, thank you so much for giving me your son.
And Mama, ngiyagcina.
You must take off your cap when you're talking to the elders. Don't do that. Don't be disrespectful.
The thing is, my mom is not even watching.
But your mom is going to see. Even my father-in-law. What, Tata? What, Tata?
I say Papa cool guys, Papa in.
No, don't say goodbye.
And I'm saying like now you love them too much.
No, I'm
Guys, chicks love
Look
them.
here. Wait as much. I want to say something.
Yeah.
And it's from my heart.
Yeah.
You've never heard me say this. I'm going to say it.
Yeah.
Some people might see it in the wrong